Greetings everyone, today I would like to show you a tutorial of my latest design, the universal Molle magazine pouch. Tutorial of how to assemble and use it. Inspired by some guy on Thingiverse, he designed a Molle magazine pouch for nerve bleeds, I think. With his idea as inspiration, I designed this. Basically, a Molle magazine pouch that works with pretty much any automatic rifle magazines on the market, including these 308 magazines for LR 308, SCAR 17 or FAL. It works with intermediate cartridges as well. For example, these AR-15 ones, Stanek, works, AK-74 magazines, and AK-47 magazines. Alright, now let's tutorial begin on how to assemble this one, as I will have the files ready. I already have the files ready on library, or you can call it Odyssey, whichever you would like to. First, you will need 1/8 inch thick bungee cord, some gaff tape, a pair of pliers, and a pair of scissors, as well as these bungee cord lock. If you want to, you can also apply these optional anti-slip tape inside of the body of this magazine pouch. It will retain AR-15 Stanex better. Alright, let's begin. First, you will need to peel off a tiny little bit of gaff tape to prevent the bungee cord from expanding. Okay. And trim it a little bit, a very little bit, then wrap it around. Do not stick too much gaff tape, or the diameter of the bungee cord will become too thick to thread into the magazine pouch, and trim again a little bit. Then thread the bungee cord into the bottom hole of the magazine pouch. Then use your plier here. Pull it out. Take one piece of the side piece, thread it into the bottom hole. It's a little bit difficult. Okay. Okay, it's now threading in. Now I should probably untangle the cord first. Never mind. It's okay. Then we'll do it this way. Very difficult to keep what I'm doing on camera. Thread it into this hole here in the front of the magazine pouch. And it's pretty much the same. Thread it through here. Rather difficult to see, but here's the hole. Thread through here. And here. the upper front air, like so, and here. Oh, I need more thread. Okay, and a longer cord. Now we'll do this. Basically, it's the same as shoestring. How you adjust, same as how you adjust shoestring or hoodie string when they are not equal lengths. Not at equal length at both sides. Okay, and you can see here. Thread through. Grab another piece of the side, thread it through like so. Maybe I should stand up. Oh, this is easier for me to do, to show it on camera. Nope. It's pretty much intuitive anyways. Oh, okay. I'm a very tiny little bit short here. Need more. I need to thread more from this side. Okay. Can also use this chance to adjust the tension of the bungee cord here. Pull it tight with your pair of pliers. This way it will provide better retention to the magazine. Okay. And lastly, thread it through this hole. This hole. Oh, I wonder why the last hole is the toughest to do. Okay, I have to do this off camera. Oh, it's too awkward for me. As you can see, the bungee cord is all threaded now, but this is too short to be locked by the cord lock. So I will have to thread more cord through the other end, and in the same time adjust the tension for a little bit. Pull it even tighter. I really wonder how this will look on camera. At least on the camera screen, because of the black color of the magazine pouch body, it doesn't really look very obvious. The cord, the holes, all look smushed together. Okay, here, this way. Oh, this is too long. Oh, whatever. The tension is pretty good too. Let's make a cut here. And thread through this lock. Okay. The last is to pull them tight. Now it's ready to use. Let's give it a test. I use stand egg. Okay, good. AK-74. Good, no problem. LR-308. Good. AK-74. No, 47. Okay, good. Now I'm going to show how to install the magazine pouch on your Molle equipment, on Molle gear. I hope we even see these two holders, two bands on your Molle. On my magazine pouch, it goes like this, interwoven with the Molle bands on your Molle gear, and then you will it's hot. You will thread the Molle tab into the Molle bands like so. It's a little bit of a struggle, so is pretty much every other Molle gear out there. You have to struggle a little bit. Like this. I have it. Okay. Now the other side. Can you still see it on camera? Okay, pretty much. Okay, now they are through. Oh, not yet. It's sitting too low. Okay. See? It's now all woven together. It's very difficult to see with the camera in the way. Okay, here. Okay, now this way. This one is all woven together, as you can see. Here. Okay. Oh, nope, I missed it. Lift the Molle band with your finger like this and insert the Molle tab. Okay. All the necessary files. Oh yes, I've already said that all the necessary files for you to print it is already on LBRI, and I will edit my username on library Odyssey onto the video here. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.